So guys, here I have used Nano Banana and I have uploaded 5 reference image to generate this interior bedroom. Here you can see that how to do it. We have to log in Google AI Studio, then select Nano Banana. Then you have to upload the multiple images like a bed, sofa rug, small chairs, curtain, side table, etc. Okay, so here I have just I'm giving the command to place these all furniture inside the bedrooms and generate the interiors of the bedroom. That's it. Okay. Then after you have to click over run option. Now it will take couple of minutes to generate interiors. So here you can see that this furniture that I have used to generate a one complete model. Now here you can see the result. All the elements that I have given to Nano Banana to create a complete bedroom interior. You can feel this interior vibe all are in a pink. So here you have to click to download these images. Now in the next I am going to change the back ball. So here I'm typing a prompt to replace the ball material to a floral pattern. Now here you can see the result. Now here you can see the back ball of the bed is completely changed like a floral wallpapers. Okay, so guys, this is insane. This is Nano Banana is like a killer of Photoshop, maybe. And in next prompt, I want to change the mood of the interior. So here I am going to type change the interior mode like evening or add a artificial light. Okay, that's it. Then you have to click over run command again. Now again here you can see the results. Results is very stunning. Here you can see the results. Now here you can see side lamp is added, but little bit odd. But light is perfect. The light is visible on a bed too. Okay, so it's very complete package, guys, to edit your models, and you can use for your clients like changing any floor materials and changing the mode also. So how you like it, please share the comment in a comment box. And there is a sample image that I have created here. You can see one by one. So if you really like my video, please share, subscribe, like. See you next tutorial. Thank you.